Another important surgery that is always treated by the eye doctors is nothing but strabismus surgery or the squint eye surgery. Here what happens is the eyes become cross-eyed. You might have seen certain people with cross-eyed, The problem is they are unable to focus on one object at the same time. So this is nothing but we call it as squint eye. So coming to squint, which is more medically called as a strabismus surgery, we need to know what is the cause of squint. So strabismus, here the real cause is not within the eye, it's actually the problem is within the extraocular muscles. Now what happens, you should now be knowing about the extraocular muscles, right? We have like 6 muscles, we have like 4 vertical and 2 horizontal muscles. The 4 vertical are nothing but the superior oblique and the inferior oblique, and the superior rectus and the inferior rectus. Whereas the horizontal muscles, we have the medial rectus and lateral rectus. So as the name implies, when I say a medial rectus, it helps in the inward movement of the eyeball. When I say a lateral rectus, it again helps in the lateral movement of the eyeball. Same way superior oblique, if a person wants to look up, superior oblique helps him. So you should understand, right, a globe is there and his muscles are there. In case a person has a very tight lateral rectus, okay, he has a very tight lateral rectus, this person cannot have easy movement towards his inner side, more medially, because the lateral muscle is very strong, so the person is not able to move his eyes inwards as easily as it does for lateral.